And that's the closest I've been to a ship for 118 days. Cargo ship, cargo ship, cargo ship. This is rowing boat Serendipity, Serendipity, Serendipity.
Yeah, this is what the bunker is. This Regal. Go ahead.
Wide berth requested, as I am small and limited in my ability to manoeuvre.
How crazy is that? It is bucketing it down, absolutely chucking it.
Oh my god. That was a big wave. We've just capsized. Seas are big and the wind's from the wrong direction, so I was trying to row across them. It went right over and I was underneath the water and just kind of going, please come back around, please come back around. And she did really quickly. Although it seemed like forever because, you know, you're trying to hold your breath and you're worried about getting hit and stuff and you're just trying to hold on and, oh goodness me. So now we know what it's like to capsize. I think it's going to be a hot day. Check this bad boy out. We were very, very close to hitting each other. I've just hacked away at the lid. That was a bit of an effort, getting the old Leatherman, which had rusted up, because I don't have a tin opener on board. And we're 445 miles from Mauritius and over 2,700 from Perth. So we're nailing this baby. I'm soaked, it's windy, the waves are big and wild, but it's so exciting. I'm rowing in my mast because I couldn't see. Day 56 and I'm 24 years old, 2.4 decades, very excited. Oh, happy days. It's quite bouncy and we're getting pushed about quite a bit. Okay, I'm in.